An object is weighed on Earth. It is found to have a mass of 3 kg. The weight on the surface of the Earth would be 30 Newton. Makes sense. What can you say about its mass and its weight if you take it to Mars, where the gravity is weaker, and Sun, where the gravity is stronger? We have seen this, right? So if I have an object of say 10 kg, the weight would be, what happens to the weight? On the Earth, it would be particular value 98, right? It would be 98, while on the Mars it would be less, while on the Sun it will be a lot more, right? This is Earth, Mars and Sun. Make sense? Can you see this? So this is your fact. While the mass will remain the same, mass will not depend on the gravitational pull. So how do we frame this answer? All this fact we know. Now we're looking at how to frame the answer. Well, it's quite simple. The weight of any given object, it depends on gravity at that place, right? So this fact we need to mention. So always mention the dependency between whatever the quantities are. Mass is independent of gravitational pull. Make sense? And so on the surface of the on the surface of the Mars, the weight will remain lesser, while the mass will remain same. Agree? While on the surface of the Sun, the weight will be more, while its mass will remain the same. So if you just write this particular statement, and this A and B statement, however you want to write, it's okay. But see to that you mention this. You have to mention this, that the weight is dependent on gravity and the mass is independent of gravity. You need to make a point. Got it? So you need to mention this. Just don't write this particular answer. It should be an habit of talking about the factors and how they are related. And writing the statement and all, it's secondary, that you guys can do it. But if you write this, the maturity of your answer increases. Got it? That is something that you have to keep in mind. Yeah, so this is your question. Any theoretical question wherein it is related to any kind of formula or concept, you need to make a mention of that and then conclude the answer.